How to trim or cut videos inside Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to trim or cut videos, you can use different softwares, but you can do it inside Instagram as well. In order to do so, first and foremost, open your Instagram account. Once that is done, tap on the plus icon to add the video. Select the video that you want to trim and tap on next. Once that is done, you will see a edit video option which is on the bottom left corner. Tap on it. It will take you to another page. Now next up, choose the section of the video that you want to trim or cut off. Then tap on split button and discard the section. Once you tap on discard, that current section that you selected will be trimmed out or cut off the video. After that, you can tap on next and post the video as you like on Instagram. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, if you have got any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.